you can able to see. If you have a time, you can try this one. Okay, first go to Jenkins website. Jenkins is a CI by CD type. Okay, CI by CD means continuous integration type. You can see Jenkins.io. Website is Jenkins.io. So I am posting in all the places for a link purpose. It's a Jenkins.io. Okay. So you can go to download, click on a download. You can see stable version and regular weekly release means it's keep on updating. This is the stable version. We can see 1 second, sorry. So when you go to download LTS version, this version. So go for LTS WAR file only. It is available for different operating system, but I am using WAR file only because I tried 1 or 2 times in starting earlier days, but later I finally feel it is a good one. Jenkins WAR file. Click on it. Okay, Jenkins WAR file. Now it is 67.6 MB. So I'm downloading into our folder only. Jenkins WAR file. Download. It is a very small file. It won't take much time. Understand what to download? Generic Java package .var LTS type. Okay, and also you can go through these things. So minimize. You can go through this thing, software and hardware requirements for installing Jenkins and all, or you can go to install in Jenkins. See, I am installing in Windows operating system. Sorry, I am installing WAR file. I am installing WAR file. I am selecting WAR file. Pre-request 256 MB of RAM, small, 1 GB of disk. Recommended 4 GB of RAM, 50 GB of disk space. And Java version is compulsory 8. Somewhere it will be shown here. Java version also. It is downloaded, guys. Hardware requiremented Java requirements. What is a Java requirement? 32-bit, 64-bit of 8. Okay, or 8 or 11. Okay, perform following full test follow. 8 and 11, 64 bits working. Java 9, 10, 12 not working. So you have to use JDK 8 and JDK 11. We install already JDK 11. Okay, so that is a thing. Okay, now it is already installed. So then we are going to see where it is. So why it is showing like this? It is not recognizing WAR file. So this is my WAR file. Already that connection is given to my local PC, right? In a shared folder like this. So I'm copying. This is compulsory. You should copy. You can copy in any drive. So I'm copying it. I'm creating a folder here. There is a two. There is a reason to um, create a folder also because Jenkins, just Jenkins folder, or I can name it as a Jenkins folder. All Jenkins related files or folders we can able to put it folder, or Jenkins is enough. Now anything and paste here. Okay, where is pasted? Is it taking time or I already pasted? Oh, it is working faster. Okay, now good. So why I'm trying to show the installation today? Because of uh, it may fail. So if it is fail tomorrow, I can try. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, next CMD. right click on CMD, run as a administrator, run as a administrator, run as administrator. If you open run as administrator, it will ask yes or no. Yes, and click on here. So where is mine here? So it will go to administrator command prompt. Now it is not going to users, it go to system32. E drive, next CD Jenkins folder. Now we have this one. How to run this one? The command is java hyphen jar and Jenkins that var. Here default port of Jenkins is 8080. Default port of Jenkins is 8080. But it is a common third party websites use this one. Means there is a Apache web server, Tomcat servers use these port numbers as per their requirement. Okay. So I will put a Jenkins in a different port number. Okay. I will try to open this. I will try to install and use with a different port number. So HTTP port equal to 1990, because 1990 usually not used by any other web applications or web servers or other servers. 1990 don't use it. So I use like this hyphen hyphen HTTP capital P port. Okay, HTTP small letters, port is big letters. Okay, we'll see whether it is anything wrong. Now running, very good, very good, very good. Already Java is installed, JDK 11 is installed. So let it go on. Meantime, I will show you one more folder, that is your C drive. Mm, users. This is your profile dev admin Eclipse. This is a dot Jenkins. When you install Jenkins, the Jenkins files extracted, installed, all installation files stored in this location only. While it is installing, see the file data is creating here. Okay. If in case you fail to install, or your Jenkins is not working, or plugins are not installing properly, somewhere error is there, you stuck there, no problem, come to this location, users, your username dot Jenkins, delete it, and you can install it later. Delete it, better to restart it and link. Oh, already Jenkins one part is completed. This is a user admin password. User admin password also stores in this location also. So what I'm doing is I'm copying this one currently. Okay, so see this one. Initial step is required. Admin user is created. Password is generated. Sit back, relax, and just if you don't understand, still no problem. Not currently, like energy is not there. Okay, I will put a name is PPP. Any name, just I want to store that password, because starting that is important. When installing, don't sleep or don't go anywhere. Observe what is going on also. So save this one. Observe what is going on with this one. Okay. Next, it is saying that password is in a dot Jenkins secret initial admin. Like you can't able to copy from here. You can copy from here. What happened? Big screen, right? Jenkins secret. Okay, Jenkins secret. You can find initial password, initial admin password. Okay, you can right click, open with a notepad. Okay. Oh, because of installation process and all. Better not to install Jenkins in your physical machine. Why I'm telling? Because if you failed in Jenkins, or you are not using Jenkins longer time, unnecessarily it is occupy in your place. If you fail, there is a other may complications effect on your physical machine. If you don't have a choice, put it in your physical machine. Don't worry. Now it is running anyway. So here open with the notepad. Open with.
Sir, is it okay to install Git in physical machine?
It is okay to install. You can install in physical machine. So this is your initial password. You can install in a your physical machine, no problem. But if you got a problem, then you have to troubleshoot it. Normally, some people use old style system or a system is there, not having a more serious kind of stuff. So no problem. Less RAM capacities, right? If you have a 4 GB RAM, physical RAM, then definitely better to use physical machine. Later for practice, first of all, better to use virtual machine. My preference is virtual machine. If you cannot put into the virtual machine, you can install in physical machine also. Remember what folder you should dealing with it. That's it. That's okay. Here if you see, finish downloaded metadata. Finish downloaded metadata. After that one, you can see before this one, perform action check update server successfully at attempt. Next one is showing finish download metadata, and next you will get a Jenkins full up and running. Up and running. And now it is not yet showing, so it is still taking that one. So I have a password. We'll wait. We don't need anything. Just I'll put a full screen mode, so then we can enjoy by looking at full screen mode. Okay. So this, no, this is there now. This is, we should not download. We should not close it. Even after installation completed, also we should not close it. So here your Jenkins is running, and we are using your. Second one is, there is an option called, we can make Jenkins as a system service. Like you start a system, automatically the service will be start automatically. Okay, but don't do that one. Don't do that one. It will link to the services. Even if you like it, don't like it, you must run the services. Okay, it is taking time. Meantime, I will go to my Google Chrome in my virtual machine only. We can use any browser. If you don't like Google Chrome, go for Firefox. Open it faster. I'm wasting time. Okay. Even if it is a failure, I will stop here only. If it is successful, I stop after successful. I have to set up some. So prayer the God. Okay. It should be failure. Don't worry. Last time I failed almost. We don't have at all time. You know, mine is a 4 GB. Why it is? I've opened 2 times. Page unresponsive. What happened to this Google Chrome? I announced this. I like Google Chrome, but it is not more likely one. Okay, no, it is good. So whenever we see server is full up and running, if you see here, like it is showing like this, right? Like this, it is full up and running. Then you have to log in. Just I'm typing now. So local host colon 9090, port number I mentioned, that is 9090. 9090. Okay, it is trying, but it won't open till it is showing a full up and running, but it won't take much time to full and up and running. Only it will take more time in installing plugins, because I install all plugins. So it is signing in, but it is not showing that one. Sometimes it is feeling shy also. It is not showing full up and running. Download finish metadata is showing. Yeah, here it is. See, it is there. It is there. I didn't see. So this is the location of initial password. Already we went. Otherwise, you can copy this one and go to run. Paste there. So notepad. Okay. So this is the thing. So this will be changed for each time installation time, and you have to keep that password safe, because if you forget the password, and definitely that password is helpful. This is your admin password, initial admin password. So I am going inside. So this will be run also, not running. It's become slow. So guys, here it is. If you see, install suggested plugins, select plugins to install. Like you know very better, so you can go to select plugins to install, and what plugins you required, like a git related, Marvin related, or a dashboard related, or a time and stamp related, pipelining related. So different plugins are there. You can select the required plugins only, or suggested plugins are better. If your PC, you are connected to internet, very slow internet, like a mobile data, pen drive kind of stuff, slow internet, better to select the first one. If you have very good internet connection, then go to second one. I'm going to second one. Now you can click on install directly, but out of all 57 plugins, you are installing only 19 plugins only. Okay, so if you want to do, you can select all, or you can select suggested. Suggested is 19 plugins, that's why lesser time it will take it. If you go all, it means you are selecting every plugin, whether you are useful or not useful, you are selecting all the things. This is none, so you don't select anything, you just install it. Later you can add a plugins as per your requirement. So this is all will take definitely lot of time. Okay, these are a plugins like a folder, dashboard view, configure as a code, JUnit, XUnit, Gradle, and MS Build. So for everything it is one. You no need to select everything, like a matrix automation strategy. I don't know that one what it is. Active Directory, maybe if you have an Active Directory environment, you can connect your Active Directory, so then user communication will occur. Okay, like this depends upon your requirement, you can do it. Last one is I'm selecting. Okay, so like that. So if you don't know anything, you want to see all the plugins, then select all the plugins. But languages side, better to unselect Chinese language. I didn't think so, you know Chinese language. If you know, you can put it, no problem. I don't feel in it. Okay, or you can select everything, or you can go for only suggested, only suggested, or you can go for none, or remove, like I need a ant but I don't need a griddle, or I need a node.js, I don't require a ant. So like that you can check it what you require. Okay, otherwise check all, go to languages and select this one. Install. I'm installing all. I'm installing all. It will take literally lot of time, and also it will throw errors. Okay, so we'll see. So what is going on here? It is running from here only. So don't close this one. Just minimize and keep it. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes only. Okay. If something is goes wrong, red color and all, will stop at that place. Means I'll pause the video. Again, I will try it. If it is successful, will continue. He will die. Okay. Don't trust this one. Internet speed is mandatory, is required. Okay, so better to keep internet speed. So better to close all any network connected. Yeah, your PC is slow. Okay, so close what are the things not required for your PC to keep the PC speed. Okay, second one is close all the internet related things so then internet works better way. Okay, so I'm closing this WhatsApp also currently. Actually better I have to close the other things. Okay, okay, this is also not required both in physical machine and a virtual machine. Any network related is running, just close that one. Now this is okay. If you want to see close, you can see what is going on. Once this is going on means the dependencies of each and everything will load required dependencies. Once done, then it will install one by one. Some may miss installation or some are will get installation. So once it is installed, green color, not installed, red color. Just for every 2 minutes or 5 minutes, when you feel the time, then open this one. Look at if it is stagnated like this, nothing showing like this. What you do? That is going on. So then press the enter button. Don't close it, just enter button. Only enter button. Once or twice. That's it. Don't do like a control C kind of stuff. Be careful. If it is closed, everything is got closed. Again, you have to do it from starting. And second thing, guys, listen carefully. If it is failed, if it is a fail or something is not going wrong, so then what to do? You have to go to users, see users. In that one, you can find a username, and under that one dot Jenkins folder. Delete it, restart your PC, and reinstall it again. Same thing. Okay. Better not to use any mobile phone data or anything. Means internet multiple usages, watching YouTube videos, Netflixes. Yeah, started installation. Green check marks. It's look good. Hmm. How many are dead? 13 are there. Guys, no problem. It is already too much time. Okay, so do other works. If you but you can leave, no problem. Okay, I'm not saying you should be there because it take lot of time. Even it is going on good at least. So once it is completed, I'll create a user, I log in, and I will stop the record. I'll post so you can view it. Better to complete by 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. You can install it. Okay, better to install before or tomorrow you can install if your wish. Okay, I will post that video. Installation of Jenkins. Download and installation of Jenkins. You can you can leave, no problem, guys. No need to wait. It take lot of time. If you are recording parallelly, means then it's your wish. It's too many 57 tools. I'm also pausing. Some are added, some are not added. Can retry. So it will try remaining things. Retry. Or you can continue. Why it is Will take time. Okay, it is totally get something. Okay, you can continue, or you can go for retry, or you can do it again. So how to do it again from starting? Let's put a control C on this one. Okay, close it. Go for users, C drive, users, username, and delete this one. Permanent delete. Okay, shift delete. Yes, and delete it. Then close it again. Start installation. Yeah. CMD. Right click. Run as administrator. Yes. And change your drive to E. So cd Jenkins Java -jar Jenkins space HTTP port equal to 9090. Again starting from starting. Now I'm getting warnings. I should restart the PC. I didn't restart it. See next time. So copy this one. So when it is showing full up and running, then okay, meantime I will paste this password here. This is new password again. Yes, it is not showing full up and running here, but here, maybe it will show now. It is showing full up and running, full up and running. So open the browser. uh, Local host 9090. So this is the password, or you can copy from here. Paste, paste. copied this password here, or you can copy from this location. Continue. It is asking for select this one, so I'm selecting this one. You can use first one, select all languages. I'm unselecting it, or you can selectively select what are you required. Depends upon internet speed. Click on install. You see, make sure that your internet should be closed. Error occur. Unable to connect Jenkins. Internet problem. Possible. Let's try retry again. Selected all. I'll remove this language. Check the internet speed test. Directly Google will give internet speed, or you can use just test the speed. This entire system is slow. Check it's it is not doing this. It's showing very bad result. So normal Google you can get speed test only. Go for speed test. Google speed test is good now. So why it is coming? Check now. See how 31 Mbps good speed. Retry. It is going on. Close anything extra. It's going good. It seems good. Everything is installed. So make sure that internet connection good. So it is everything is green check mark. That is important. Still this much part is left. See once it is completed. Or is it waiting? Going on. Let it go on. Installing. I think in background. We got it. Okay, completed. So first is a username. So my I am putting. So 1 second. Just I open magnifier. Okay. I put a JAdmin one. JAdmin one. Uh, so password is admin at the rate 123 only. Admin at the rate 123. Why should we give other password? Full name JAdmin Vedic. Email ID JAdmin at the rate Vedic.com. Something just you can give. No one is verify yours. Continue. Save and continue. Just click on save and continue. It's trying to save your password. If you want, you can save it. Otherwise, you can just click this one. This is the URL, of course. Save and finish. Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins. Yes. Now we got it. Right. Okay. Manage Jenkins. First go to Manage Jenkins. Something plugin. Here you can see configure system, global configuration, global tool configuration, manage the plugins, Windows install as Windows services, node and cloud, manage files, configuration as a code. I'm going to manage cloud, manage plugins. In case you want to update the available plugins or you want to uninstall the plugins, then also you can see it. So these are the available plugins. Still more available plugins are there. You can see Docker command, Docker pipeline. Like these are available. If you want to install pipeline from here, you can do it as per your requirement. Like Zira, Blue Ocean pipeline editor, like this. Docker pipeline. So Docker is not added. Then you can add a Docker also. You can declare where is the Docker it is. So just I'm adding Docker, Docker API. If you want, adapter plugin. Plugin is for adapter you can maintain user. Like you can Docker API. There is some Docker pipeline. Or else if you want, can search it also. Search, for example, Docker I want. So like this. So the Docker related things will come up first. Okay. Docker pipeline, Docker build step. Okay. Cloud B, Docker build publisher, Docker slave, Docker compose, like this. You can see all Docker related things will be visible in starting. So I'm not doing now. So just you have to select it and download now. Install after restart or install without restart. Just install it without restart. Okay. So like these are the installed one. This is available one. Okay. These are all installed. If you don't like it, so like you don't require some of the plugins unnecessarily, why plugin is there, you are not at all using that one, so you can remove that one. For example, this is environmental inject plugin, something is showing an error always, so better if you don't want, you can uninstall it. If you it is not at all required for you, you can uninstall it also. Advanced. So you want to download it from your any specific server, you have a specific server, or you have a proxy server in your environment, or you want to upload directly plugin, you download a plugin with a separate one, like that. Okay, you have any update site for that one, you can use it. So back to dashboard. Okay, so manage Jenkins. Still you can see these things like a security, information, troubleshoot, Jenkins CLI, prepare for shutdown, like this. So this is completed. Tomorrow we'll see. Next we'll see what to do with this one. So if you go to Jenkins CLI, so we can shut down manually this one also. So it will give you commands like this one. Okay. If you want a command for a shutdown, find out safe shutdown or shutdown. Safe shutdown is there. Shutdown is also there. So like this command. You have to download this one. So I'm downloading. Keep it. Show in folder. Copy this command. Open CMD. So no. Don't like that. Always open CMD here. Okay. So very good. But the location, this is where is this location and downloads. So I'm putting in this folder on the both are in same folder. Now here we try Jenkins folder. Okay. So copy this link. This is for shutting down. Anonymous is missing. Overall read and write permissions. We need a authentication part. automatically command shutdown came here. Also you can see what is going on. Complete installation of 72 plugins. Complete installation. Okay, this is done. It is giving the information. It's not shutting down. FNS URL HTTP public key key FN user FN auth is there. Username jadmin 7admin@123. What is it is running? This not works. CLI safe shutdown. Try this one. Okay, whatever it is. That's it. sign out, close it, just control C. Okay, so whatever it is, exit. Then